Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you this beautiful set. It's my favorite crochet hook and knitting needle set, and I'm making this video on demand as I posted this set on my Instagram and someone asked me to make a complete video. That's why I'm making the video. Let's start the video. So in this set I have 5 rubber crochet hooks. It's 2 mm, 2.5 mm, 3 mm, 3.5 mm and 4 mm. And I have 12 steel hooks, crochet hooks in this set. It's starting from 0.6 mm to 1.9 mm. And here we have some accessories. This is a thread cutter. It's also called clipper. These are loom sticks, and I will soon post a video how to use these. These are counters. Okay, these are stitch markers. And here we are stoppers, rubber stoppers. These are actually used for knitting needles like this. Moving on, we have 20 pair of knitting needles. These are bamboo knitting needles, and these are very nice to work with. 4 mm and 4.5 mm are my favorite one. I really enjoy working with them. This is a scale. So in this set we have total 20 pair of knitting needles starting from 2 mm to 10 mm, 5 crochet rubber hooks and 12 steel hooks and the other things. this is my favorite set, and it's also available on my website. You can buy this set. I'm sharing the link in description box. I really hope you guys like the video. Stay creative. Love you guys. Take care.